So guys, how to use motion tracker in Shotcut? It's really simple. Let me show you the preview. We have our sample video on the timeline. Select the clip, then go to filters, or from up here, select the filters, then click on this plus icon, search for motion tracker, single left click, then position the tracking region properly. Suppose this headlight. After we are done positioning, select one of the algorithm which works for you. Let's select the default one, then press on analyze. This may take some time, as you can see here. So the analyzing is done. Now name the motion tracker. Let's name it tutorial data. Let's see what we got so far. Seems like the tracking is working properly. We can hide the preview box by clicking on here. So let's add a new layer, right click, track operation, insert a new track, add some text, open other, text, simple text, open, left click, drag and drop, give it same length as our video clip, change the text, leader, size 80, then press on OK, center it, click on the plus again, search for size, position and rotate, single left click. Now position the center, drag, select the simple text, position it where you want, suppose around here. Now select the size and position, rotate again, load keyframe from motion track, reset, then go to file, save the project, close the project and reopen motion tutorial, select the text layer, size, position, rotate, load keyframes from motion tracker, click on the drop down, tutorial data, adjust, let's select absolute position, then press on apply. Now as you can see that this icon changed its color from normal to blue. That means the tracker keyframing is done. To check it, click on this keyframe button. So we have all of our keyframes. Go back to timeline. Let's play it again. See, our motion tracking working totally fine. Always remember, before using the motion tracking, reset it, then reposition everything. Also save and reopen the project before using the motion tracking data, or you may get some bug. So guys, that's how easily we can use motion tracking in Shotcut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.